Welcome everyone, this is Corey Babka from marksgrouplive.com. Happy to reviewing Zoho CRM's Recycle Bin today. After the video is over, feel free to email us at support@marksgrouplive.com for any questions regarding this topic or other questions with Zoho. Be sure to rate this class as well, helping out your fellow subscribers as well as other users and us so we can actually improve our video library. Okay, here are the main points of what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about how you can restore from your recycle bin. Just like we know a recycle bin, whether it be Windows or Microsoft products, we know what the trash can is. Zoho is a similar item, okay? We can restore our own or others, but that depends on the permissions. And then always keep in mind that that trash can is going to be automatically emptied after 60 days, no matter whether you go there or not. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So we're going to cover those items there. I'm going to pop over to Zoho so you can see this in action. So what I'm looking at here is our actual home area, and what I'd love to be able to see is something in here like recycle bin, but it's not. It's not in here. Where it is it's actually in the setup. So if we go into the setup area, it's part of the data administration section. Talking about importing, exporting, backing up your data, storage items, all these pieces here, including the audit log, but the recycle bin is where I want to go. So if I look at the recycle bin, and it shows me everything that's been there. Now there's a couple notes to keep in mind. For instance, this one. Okay, that was my point number 3, is after the records are deleted, as in they're sitting in the recycle bin, if they're in here for 60 days, they will be removed permanently. That's a big deal, okay? So that gives you 2 months to figure out whether you deleted a record by accident or if you need to restore it, okay? Now, only users with administrator profiles can actually empty this recycle bin. If I wanted to, I could do this right now and empty it and they would all go away. But I might not want to. It doesn't hurt anything by leaving it in here. It hurts your storage a little bit, right? If you were to delete a ton of emails and you wanted to get rid of them from here, you could do that and that would clear up your storage. And I think that would be the one reason why you would empty it. For other items, you can just kind of leave it there. All right. Now, it says non-admin users can only restore their own. Okay. If you have permissions, you can restore the others as well. So like from an admin standpoint where I am right now, okay, if I was to log in as the Gen user, I could see here all their items as well, and I could simply check some items, and I would restore those or delete them, okay? So let's go ahead and go to a lead. Let's look at a lead record right now. So here's the Jones Hotel, okay? Let's say there's not a lot of information in here, but we go over here to our related list, there's an open activity, all that kind of stuff, right? Well, what I can do is with my 3 dots, I could say, delete this record. And say, do you want to delete it? Now, it always prompts, do you want to move it to the recycle bin? I would say yes. Okay. Now, by doing that, it goes back out to my next lead is what it is, okay? And you can see that that Jones Hotel is gone. Now, if I go back into my recycle bin, and I go here and look at it, you're going to see that Jenny Jones, as a lead, was deleted on this date. Okay? And this was also deleted. What's that? Well, that's the activity that was attached to Jenny Jones. So, careful, that's a clear point that you need to make sure. If I just do Jenny and restore this, which I can do, now the lead's restored. Okay? Now, what it did do, what's interesting is if we go back to the lead area, we do have that the Jones Hotel, if you notice the trash can, it actually brought everything out. It brought it back in. So it's considered 2 different items in the trash can because there was an open activity in the record. However, by restoring the parent record, the lead, I actually restored the action item as well, the open action, the pending item. Okay, so it's good to know, right? So we go into there, we go into our recycle bin, and we can see all those things there. Now again, when we're talking about the recycle bin, what you need to keep in mind is that I can do anything because I'm an administrator, but I cannot do others, or if a general user or a standard user is in here, they would only see theirs, okay? Now I can sort by deleted time, okay? So I can look for a specific thing because right now I've got 58 items, but you might have 1,000. So therefore you may want to look for this and do different pieces there. You may want to do is a type. It's a lead item only. Okay. and then you search. So these are my leads that were deleted. Okay, and so you can filter it that way, and that's where our little piece is over there, which is a good one to have. Okay, so that being said, just want to make sure we covered all our takeaways. So if you do delete a record by accident, the recycle bin within the setup does have the option to restore it. If you're not seeing it, check out with your administrator. Have them help you filter it, search for it. Maybe they see it and you can't for some unknown reason, or you're seeing too many things, okay? But you can restore your own, or you can restore others based on your admin permission, okay? And again, items will be automatically removed after 60 days, so keep that in mind. That's an important one, okay? It will go away, and it will just clear itself. Is what it does, okay? You can empty the recycle bin. If I go back again, you can empty the entire recycle bin if you want to do it that way. Otherwise, you just check the items that you want to do, and you can restore or delete by the way that they're checked, okay? So that being said, I hope that kind of brings a little bit of clarity to the recycle bin right now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the library for other videos like it. If any suggestions for other classes, other topics, or just any comments, or need some help with Zoho, drop us a line at support@marksgrouplive.com. Thanks for watching.